Imagine a world where even the youngest members of society were adorned with precious gems, a practice that might seem surprising today. A recent study has unveiled that children of the ancient Maya civilization, as young as 7 years old, were often seen sporting jade inlays in their teeth, a practice that likely represented a significant cultural milestone or a rite of passage. While it has long been established that adult Maya individuals frequently showcase tooth inlays, the revelation that such young children participated in this tradition is particularly intriguing. The researchers behind this study, published in the November 2025 edition of the Journal of Archaeological Science, reports, examined 3 isolated teeth featuring jade inlays, which are currently preserved at the Popol Vuh Museum in Guatemala. By assessing the development of the roots of these teeth, the team concluded that they belonged to children aged between 7 and 10 years. Among the teeth analyzed, one was an upper central left incisor, another was a right upper canine, and the third was a lower incisor. However, the researchers could not confirm whether these teeth originated from a single child or multiple individuals, as they were not associated with any skeletal remains. Unfortunately, these teeth are not associated with bony skeletal remains, the authors noted, highlighting the limitations of their findings. The Maya were known for their unique dental aesthetics, often intentionally shaping their teeth through filing or engraving. Artisans would skillfully carve holes into prominent teeth and insert various gems, predominantly jade, but also materials like obsidian or pyrite, securing them with organic adhesives. This practice was not just about beauty, it likely held deeper social significance. Interestingly, while there is some evidence that adolescents aged 10 to 15 had their teeth filed or engraved, they did not typically have dental inlays. The study suggests that the Maya may have refrained from applying inlays to younger children to avoid potential damage to their developing teeth. The researchers speculated that the procedure might have been too invasive for such young individuals. However, X-ray examinations of the 3 teeth in question revealed that the dental pulp, the innermost layer of the tooth, remained undamaged, and there were no signs of natural cavities. The analysis indicates that these jade inlays were likely placed while the children were still alive, which adds another layer of significance to this discovery. In a related finding, 2 jade inlaid teeth from Belize were thought to belong to a child as young as 3. But this claim is contentious, as it is possible those inlays were added posthumously as part of a burial ritual. The authors of the new study caution that this practice may not have been widespread across the entire Maya civilization. It could represent a localized tradition or signify that these children were beginning to assume adult responsibilities, such as household chores or labor. Without further discoveries of dental inlays in the teeth of Maya children, understanding the reasons behind this practice remains speculative. Unless more cases are documented, any possible interpretation of the reasons behind performing these permanent modifications in such young individuals remains at the level of assumptions and cannot be generalized to the whole Maya realm, the authors concluded. This fascinating glimpse into the past raises many questions. What do you think about the practice of dental inlays among young Maya children? Could it have been a rite of passage? Or perhaps a reflection of social status? Share your thoughts in the comments below.